Enkuyanja y'abantu erizoba bayishika hari Katete Primary School mu Rurembo Mbarra okushendekereza omumbere gw'omuzaarisa Sister Judith Charsima owambara Referral Hospital oshangira ferire omujera Rwizi. Emikoro y'okuziika etakatandikire abanza kubaho obutiikiriza n'aha diini erazitse hamwe n'anabeeka kwenda kurwanira omutumbi okusya polisi yareeta ebaraha kuruga ow'omushaija we ori omu kihome erikuragira ngu aziikwe abakristaayo kandi omu maka ge Katete.
Ninye owa biriraniho Judith ari kuhinduka ari kuruga mu Catholic Church ari kuza omu Anglican Church.
Of the burial of the said wife above.
Omukoro y'okuziika omukazi owagamba haruguru.
In my home Katete Central Cell.
Omumaka ganje Katete Central Cell. Ezindi ediini
are not allowed.
Zikwikirizibwa. Nka Desta Cathedral, abishimwe simkiri kya Justice Rwaha n'enamba ze z'essimu zirwaha. So omurisa, this is your letter confirming that you have the right to bury Charsima Judith. I hand it over to you.
Nabwanyuma emikoro y'okuziika yatandika ahagati y'ebyo kwerinda kw'amaani okwerinda ngu hatabarukaho akashashamaro. Abaana be hamwe n'abanyabuzaare bamugambaho nk'omuntu obiire nakunda Ruhanga kandi bashaba kuhabaho oburinganiza na n'okucondooza kurukumara aha muringo gwafiiremu.
She was a very, very prayerful woman. She loved the church. She really loved the church.
Ngeno mwana wanje ndasiba omurongo kugira ngu obona nkareba bakamwenamira nembabaza Ruhanga. Tindi kureba Judith kurihaho ndareba Mukama Ruhanga kandi n'uwaba yakorire ekintu ekyo akamwita Mukama amusasire kandi ayeteze ashoborore n'ekintu yamuturiye.
Abakozi batahibe bagamba hari Sister Judith Charsima nk'omuntu obiire nabagita nk'abazaarisa omwebembezi omurungi obiire nayebembeza Ruhanga.
Okwehayo kandi okukunda omulimo gwe nomuranga agamba union Judith abirayo mu union.
So my message is we should also look deep within ourselves. Are we able to collect the people here that sister has gathered?
Judith, she has been a political leader, an activist, but a peacemaker. You go to negotiate and she will always tell you that please let us listen.
Abazaarisa aba bagira ngu nibaraba omu kugumirwa kw'amaani ahabwa obutabanguko oburi omu maka gaabo kandi bashaba gavumenti okubahwera.
We have GBV. It is a lot. We have the salary issues. We have the staffing norms affecting us. We are overworked. There is a lot of task shifting, doing the work of what we didn't even study for, but we stand bold as nurses and midwives of Uganda. You are the boldest people. You are heroes that I'm proud of.
Polisi hamwe n'abanyabyobutegetsi baraganisa ko barikuza kukora ekirikubasika okureba ngu habaho oburinganiza hamwe na n'okuronda ekimwisire.
You see, when you are investigating cases, each case has its own dynamics. Not all cases are investigated the way we may think. So this case we are handling will involve a lot of use of science and technology.
Wahura omuntu wawene sayini z'okweyita hakoraho omweninga babiri abakuba bakirebire nangwe n'otakizira aha n'aharirizibwa nagira ndirinde ko kuza polisi nabo basibire marebe nabareba bamwe naganira nabo ngo kubagamba tindi polisi nyo naje nakumvukira w'abantu bavugisha ebi nagamba nabo nanye tinjizibwe kubigamba.
Sister Judith Charles-Sima akashangwa feriro mwejego go mujera rwiza hakutandika kwi Sandezi kandi umubiri gwe gubire gwatandikire kujunda bwanyuma yo kumara Sande mwabuzire aferira ha myaka 52 kandi yasiga abana bashatu konko mushija we Justice nkwasibwe tiya muzika ariyo muchome hamwe na nabandi okuyamba polisi okucondoze cyumwisire ahabwa TV West and area Sartugus.